Hi, this is Professor Lisa McQuade. I'm an assistant professor in kinesiology at Lone Star College, University Park. I'm here to provide you some information about your fitness assessments that you will do for your physical education 1164 online. Uh, this is a major assessment that you'll be doing, so it's important to pay attention. You'll be doing a pre and post physical fitness performance assessment, which is worth 50% of your overall grade for the online course. You will be doing a 1.5-mile run or a 3-mile walk. One or the other. There's no other options unless you have accommodations specifically through student services. When will you be doing it? Within the first 2 weeks, you'll perform the pre-assessment, and that will be completed. Within the last 2 weeks, the post-assessment will be completed. You'll be doing it on your own or during times that are provided for you by your professor. What are you going to do? You're going to follow the instructions on the drop box on D2L. You're going to do a 1.5-mile run or a 3-mile walk. You'll also be doing other assessments that are included by your professor with web links within your D2L to assist you with the instruction on how to perform those assessments. You're going to have 3 options. The first option is to meet with your professor during his or her scheduled assessment times. With this option, do not need to take any video recordings of yourself. You won't have to upload anything to YouTube. All you need to do is be taking some pictures that you'll need for your assignment of you doing the assessment. Option 2, you can do it on a treadmill. You can do it on a treadmill at your home. You can do it on a treadmill at a fitness facility. You could also do it on a treadmill here at Lone Star University Park during posted hours when the facility is open to students. You will set your treadmill at a 1.5% incline or grade, and this will account for environmental differences between inside and outside. You're going to video record your start time, your incline, and your mileage at 0. Continue to record, keeping the recording going of yourself. You must complete the 1.5-mile run or the 3-mile walk without any breaks in the recording. This means your feet need to constantly be moving on the treadmill. You cannot put your feet astride and take a break. You got to keep that video going. If we can see whether your hair and arms are moving in the video, so make sure you keep moving on the treadmill. After you complete that distance, then you're going to continue to video your time, your incline, and your completed distance. Then you'll upload your video using YouTube. Make sure your video is set so it can be viewed by your professor. Please be careful. Do not put any photo ID on YouTube. What we want you to do is take a picture of your photo ID, and you will include that in your assignment, making sure that we can view your face in all of the photos and videos that you're going to be posting on your assignment. Option 3, you can record yourself performing the assessment outdoors. To do this, you can have a friend follow you doing your 1.5-mile run or your 3-mile walk. We've had students do this. We've had students do the 1.5-mile run and somebody followed them in a car, recording them constantly, or we've had students also do the 3-mile walk where their friend was walking alongside with them, recording them constantly performing the test. You can use an app as well to record your distance, but you're still going to have to do a video recording of you performing the test. You need to video record yourself starting and ending the times of the test. You use that app information for your assignment. You must upload your video to YouTube. Again, do not upload any photo IDs on YouTube. However, you're going to go ahead and upload a photo with your assignment, a photo ID with your assignment, and make sure we can view your face as you perform all of your performance assessments. Your next steps, you're going to follow the instructions that your professor provides for you on D2L to Dropbox your assignment in the submissions. What happens if you don't follow these specific instructions? 1, you may get a 0 for this portion of your grade. 2, you may be able to perform the 1.5-mile run or the 3-mile walk with your instructor present to verify the test. And 3, you may be reported for academic integrity issues. So you don't want that to happen. Best to just follow the instructions. If you have any questions, make sure you contact your professor and get everything cleared up before you perform the assessment. Make sure you have everything set before you perform the assessment. It's real important that you keep that video going if you video yourself. Otherwise, good luck and have a wonderful semester.